Today we're going to see about chart styling in regards of data science using Python. So what is data science and why we are using Python? Let me see now about data science using Python. In that chart styling, what do you mean by chart styling? It is nothing but we are doing some analysis with respect to some genres. Through that analysis, getting some data. Where do we get some data? We're getting data sums. Now I'm getting data from Google site, Google Chrome. Okay. So I'm already opened the Google page, and this is the Google page. And in this, I'm selecting chart styling. Chart styling is nothing but we are going to do some analysis with respect to some alignment, some modification, or some specific task. Okay. Now this is the right program. I'm just copying this program from the site. That means I'm getting some data on the site. It is nothing but it is codes. Just copying this codes, and I'm opening here I'm opening. I'm using a Jupyter notebook because the Jupyter notebook you can use easily because the script page and console page same remains in the same windows. So I'm copying here, and this is the program. And now I may explain the program now. This is the program about a track race. Okay, so now I'm going to design some plot. I'm going to design a graph with respect to distance and time. Okay, this is an import of numpy as np. This is nothing. This numpy and np is nothing but packages to represent a visualization. And this is the next line from matplotlib import pyplot as plt. I am shortcutting as pyplot as plt. Pyplot matplotlib is nothing but it is also some external packages I'm using in this particular graph. So I am taking x, y, z and t 4 axis 4 variable name here. Np is nothing but numpy in range of 0, 10. I mean my initial and final value is 0, 10. Okay. From y axis, y is equal to x incrementation of 2. That means y with respect to 2. Same z x with respect incrementation of 3. That means z axis with respect to incrementation of 3 units. T is equal to x with incrementation of 4. Incrementation of 4 is nothing but I'm incrementing my axis as 4. Now I'm labeling the axis and title. Labeling the axis and title is nothing but I am labeling an axis with respect to x axis and y axis. Now plot with title. My graph name is drawing a graph drawing, and my graph represent with two axes x and y axis. Plotting x label as with respect to time and y label as with respect to distance. Now plotting x and y. Now plotting, I'm giving some values to the entry data. This is entry data is nothing new, second and third entry. This graph represents a track race. That means a track race which consists of multiple number of entry. Now I am concentrating in about the second entry and third entry. The second entry with respect to of following orders. In between these orders, this in between the 0, 10, I am initiating with respect to 2, 1, and the same as annotating x, y of 4, 6. This 2, 1 and 4, 6 is in between this 0, 10. Okay. Now I am saving this. Now I am clicking this console page and running the program. Now we can get the output with respect to the following program. This is an output. Okay. Now we giving this. We have whatever the data we have given in our program. Particular data it gets some analysis and gives us some output. This graphical representation. This is a chart styling. Okay. Now another, I'm adding an annoying. Annoying is nothing but adding some specific task. Okay, adding legends. Adding legends is nothing but adding some extra entry. Extra entry is nothing but adding some additional entry. Okay, now I am selecting this program and copying. Control C. I'm going to next Jupyter Notebook platform. And I am clicking here and pasting here. Okay, now I'm going to explain this program. So same as the following already we have seen past program. Okay, is nothing but same as it is. Import numpy as np matplotlib. From the matplotlib is nothing but external packages. Okay, so now I'm using a variable name x comma x y z and t. It is nothing but x is np is arranging of 0 comma initial value of 0, final value of 10. It is nothing but entry variable with respect to orders I am declaring here. Okay, now my intention my target is between this y z and t. It is nothing but axis with respect to x and y. Okay, so now I am plotting a title of graph, giving a graph name as graph drawing, and my x-axis naming as time, and y-axis y label is naming as distance. Plotting the plot with respect to x and y. Here already I have given in the last program itself plot dot annoyed of x comma y 2 comma 1 with respect to second entry and 4 comma 6 with respect to third entry. Okay, adding legends is nothing but adding naming a race 1 naming of plot of x comma z and plotting of x comma t. Plot lot legends is nothing but race counts, race 1 comma race 2 comma race 3 is equal to local of 4. Local of 4 is nothing but with expecting a race number 4. Okay, now I'm clicking this page, console page, I'm running the program. This is an output. See, we have given the graph name as graph drawing, and y-axis with respect to distance, and x-axis as time. And now my entry is race 1, race 2 and race 3 is nothing but entry 1, entry second and entry 4. I am mentioning a second entry and third entry. My target is second entry with respect to 2 comma 1 and the third entry with respect to 4 comma 6. This is a great analysis of for the small graphical representation. Thank you.